Hello backers, and basically a warm welcome back to my channel. And in this video we're going to be making a king prawn Thai green curry. Okay, so once again I'll be using the spices from my spicy blend, this pouch here, and I've got diced up spring onions, and there should be 1 kilogram of king prawns in here, and also I've used the water from the defrosted king prawns. I've defrosted overnight because that would add flavour instead of tap water, so I believe. Okay, so let's get to it. So I almost forgot, need some coconut milk as well. Okay, so I've poured in the water, coconut mix, and all the contents from this pouch. Okay, and yet again I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to order anything from them. Yeah, okay. And I'm just going to leave this to simmer. Right, okay, after 3 minutes I'm going to add in the king prawns. Okay. Gonna mix it around a little bit. Oh, it does smell good. And I'm going to leave it to cook for round about 20 minutes. Right, well, okay, so I'll put in the spring onions. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm going to put in some coriander, and in it goes. Okay, so gonna stir that up. And recover. Right, so yet again I couldn't be bothered making my own rice, so I bought this pack which is microwavable to go with it. I'm putting in the microwave for the last couple of minutes. There you go, there it is, your Thai green curry. Okay then, so if you haven't already done so already, please do subscribe to this channel, and if you enjoyed this video, please do leave it a like and do comment, and because that really does help with the algorithm. So please, if you want to learn to cook, whether you're autistic or not, do remember that I have your back.